Yo, first order of the day. We've got a muchas gracias. This one is $7 and change, going just under 5 miles.
Hi, I can help you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Got this next order pretty much right away. It is a McDonald's, $8 and change, going 4.5 miles.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Next up is a Mr. Maple Donuts. This one is $9, going 6 miles. Thank you. Next order up is a McDonald's. This one is $7, going 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
I'll go.
Got a stack going to the same person. This is Voodoo Donut and McDonald's. I don't know why, but I feel like the McDonald's portion is gonna take forever for some reason. This is $7, going just under 4 miles. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Yeah, I was right. That took forever for no good reason. Next up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's $8, going 3 miles, only one item.
Please remain at this location.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Should be just that one, yeah. What dat? A customer added a $1 tip to a past McDonald's order. Oh, the one I just did before this, I think. Thank you, thank you. Got this one as I was dropping off. This is a McDonald's, $6 and change, going about 2 miles. Got this one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $8, going 2 miles, only one item. Ooh, customer added $5 tip on a past McDonald's order. That's the one that I just did. Thank you very much. Got this as I was dropping off. This is going right back to Safeway. This shop and deliver is $10, going 3 miles, 3 items. Next order up is a Voodoo Donut. This one is kind of high mileage, but doing it anyways. This is $11, going just under 7 miles. Yeah, thank you.
Take care.
Yeah, I was literally about to drive off, but they gave me this order. This one is $3 going like a mile. Bro, why are they doing this to me? Oh my goodness. They just tried to give me a stack that is $22 going 4 miles. Like, I've got to deliver this original voodoo donut, so I can't do that.
Okay, what's the name again?
Letty.
What? Okay, yeah, I'll tell her. She hopefully only one more week.
Hello. For Debbie?
Yeah.
There you are.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Well, that was not worth it at all. That was actually really bad. They said, text me when you get here and I'll come meet you. Like, it would have been so much faster if I just went up to their room. And now I'm gonna be late for that original drop-off, so that's amazing. All for $3. This next one is high mileage, but it should actually be worth it. It's a Chick-fil-A, $22 going just about 10 miles.
DoorDash for Gavin. DoorDash for Gwen.
Gwen? Yeah.
My bad. Straws are in the
Thank
bag.
you. That was a really, really good order, and I am more than happy to call it after that one. Current time is 9:14. Total is 120. Not too shabby. All right, let's get out of here. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.